Guys, this is the holy grail of testosterone boosters. I am so happy I found something where I actually feel a difference and I feel like I'm not just wasting my money. I've tried so many other supplements, but this is the first one where I've seen actual gains in the gym and I felt more energy, I felt more feelings of confidence, increased libido, all those things you should feel when you have increase in testosterone. So, for example, I used to have a max of 185 bench in the gym, and within a month of taking this, I hit 225, which is a huge leap for me. I didn't even expect I'd get over 200 in the near future. So that's just one data point. But yeah, like I said, in general, I'm feeling actually way more energized. A lot of my other personal records have increased, and I'm feeling like an actual difference. So that's been really positive. In addition, I know some people mention they get some gastro side effects from testosterone boosters sometimes, but with this, I've had no negative side effects, no gastro effects, and it's been working out super well for me. So, yeah, I would say give it a try if it worked for me. Like, honestly, in just 1 month, seeing this difference, I feel like there's something in here, some combination of, herbs or whatnot that actually is effective. So, yeah, happy customer.